See the squirrel up there? What's in there? Where's the squirrel? Oh, where's the squirrel? Where's the squirrel? Is it up there? Oh, you think the squirrels is up there? Maybe it's in the other tree. Maybe it's over there. Oh, is it up there? Oh my golly, gotta reach it. Oh, maybe it's in the other one. Bailey, maybe it's over there. Oh, whoa. Try the other one. Go check the other one over here. That one, maybe it's over there. Oh, you hug the tree. Oh, did I hit the tree? Maybe that one. Maybe that oak have the squirrel. Maybe it's up there. Where is it? Go check up there. Oh, it's over there. That's a bird. That's not a squirrel. That's not a squirrel. Oh, the bird is mad at you. Come over here. Oh, the bird is mad, Bailey. Come on, Bailey. There's a tree. There's a bird in the tree. Yes. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh. Come on, Bailey. Hush, birdie, hush. Bailey, come. Come on. Come on. Come on now. Come on, mister. Squirrel's left already. The squirrel left. She's over here. Over here. Up there, yes. Squirrel's up there. Yeah. Oh, that's a high jump. Oh, my golly. Hello. Oh, my goodness, Bailey. You gonna get it? Oh, you think it's over there? Oh. You think it's over there? Oh, where do you think it is? Where do you think the squirrel is, huh? Come on now. A bird is angry. Come on. Come on. What do you think the bird's saying? The squirrels everywhere, huh? The squirrels everywhere. Where's the bird? The bird is angry. Come on, go get the bird. Say, birdie, shut up. Shut up, birdie. It's over there, Bailey. Yes, she's up there. The bird is up there. What are you looking for, the bird or the squirrel? Birdie, what's your problem? Really, look, the bird is up there. Oh, my golly. Come on now, don't eat that. Come on. Hey, come on, Bailey. What, 3 to 3? Come on.